Hey guys, welcome back to the Independent Investor Channel. My name is Ryan. It's so good to be with you. Coming to you from the Big Apple, New York City, New York. It's about time to drop the bomb on this channel, guys. This is going to be a very special episode. I'm still a relatively undiscovered channel on YouTube, but I'm just now approaching around 700 subscribers, so I'm really new. I'll be approaching the 1,000 subscriber mark here shortly, and that's fine. I've been online now for about 6 months. And I really wanted to open up the channel for the folks that have kind of been with me from the beginning. Some of the new subscribers that have been online. Certainly you can go back into some of my lessons. I've got about 60 videos online. I've been really aggressive with setting a baseline with regard to stock market information and how somebody who really doesn't know anything about the stock market can go back and really take some of my lessons to heart. The lessons are free of charge, guys. It costs nothing. And that's a lot of why I came out with this channel, really, is to empower one investor at a time. And I think if people really take a hard look at the information that I'm putting online, I really believe in my heart of hearts that the information in and of itself is scalable, okay? And what that means is that I believe that I can take anybody, if you were just at the starting point, and teach you some of the basic fundamentals about investing and take you from a non-investor to an investor, all right? Now, I'm gonna open up the playbook here and I'm gonna provide direct help. This is something that nobody else on YouTube is doing, okay? There's a few unique aspects to the Independent Investor channel that I'm extremely proud of, okay? The unique aspects that I talk about with the independent or the self-managed investor program is unique to me. I've done it now for going on 6 years, and I'm really just trying to share my story with folks and get people to really understand the benefits of doing so. But in coming out with the Independent Investor channel, I've really hoped to prepare people, to be willing to take that next step into the investment world. And there's a few things that you have to have in order before you're going to be really ready to enter into the investment world. And I've said it many times. It doesn't do you any good to step in the investment world if you've got a bunch of debt or you don't have any money saved up, right? And I've got videos on all those to help prepare you as a new investor, to really help you to get those two things kind of set forward, so you can actually step into the market in a constructive and a responsible manner, guys, because we don't want to overextend ourselves, all right? And I've come out with a lot of content that helps the new investor with just that. The self-managed Roth IRA account is something that I enjoy. I actually manage both of my accounts. I took over my accounts about 6 years ago and took control of my financial life. And the accelerated profits that I'm enjoying within my account, being that it's free of management fees within those accounts, are really undeniable, guys. And that's really what excites me to do this show, is really just to provide my message. Now, it's not for everybody, okay? But for those folks out there that are looking to get involved in the stock market, I want you to understand all of your options, okay? And the self-managed Roth IRA is just one of those unique types of things, one of those niche things that I look to bring forward to my beginning audience, guys. And here we are, we're under 1,000 subscribers. And I've got a lot of people that I've helped directly that would have never ever known about the self-managed investor program. And now they've started those accounts for themselves, okay? Ideas. Ideas is something that I bring to the table. I share my portfolio open with my viewing audience, and I bring a lot of investing ideas. A lot of those investing ideas are passive in nature, right? I feel like if you're a beginning investor, you really shouldn't be looking at getting into the market and then back out of the market. You really should be looking at share accumulation when you first start, looking to get involved in the market with the idea of understanding both the ups and the downs in the market, okay? When you go from a non-investor, okay, and you're just used to a static state of your market all the time, it takes some transition, okay, to understand that if you are an investor, your money is going to fluctuate up and it will fluctuate down as a passive long-term investor. And that's just the mental conditioning that I try to help new investors understand when they're looking to get involved in the market, right? And they just don't have a lot of practice. You can go back and look at some of those ideas that I've had on a lot of my videos, you know, with regard to how to enter the market correctly, how to enter passively, how to enter into good quality assets, what particular account that you can use, how to use the free the free functions within the account to utilize for your benefit, how to build a watch list, how to understand sector breakdown, how to understand diversification, the rule of 72. Those are all some of the tools basically that I've tried to equip you guys with. And I'm proud to say that, you know, over the last 6 months, I believe we've done that, you know, for our preliminary subscribers to the Independent Investor channel. And I thought I'd come out with a direct help option for you guys, all right? And really, this is unprecedented, okay? A lot of what the Independent Investor channel allows me to do is have my voice. And it allows me to do things my way, which are, quite frankly, extremely unique and unprecedented, quite frankly. All right. And what I'm going to be doing specifically for anybody that's subscribed to the channel thus far, I'm going to be opening up the ryan.independentinvestor@gmail.com. Okay. That's ryan.independentinvestor@gmail.com. Okay, so I'm going to put the direct email to me personally. It's just my channel email, and I'm going to be setting that up. It's already set up, but it's set up for you guys. All right. Now, the intention of what I'm going to do with this particular email, I've come across a few of my subscribers who have really needed a little bit of an extra edge, okay, and very intelligent people. They were just kind of at an impasse where trying to take care of it through direct message or the public commentary just wasn't enough. Okay, and I kind of got this idea when I just asked these people if it would be okay if I just reached out to them directly. All right, and that's exactly what we're going to do here with this email. If you guys would like to have 20 or 30 minutes on a conversation with me directly, this is going to be my thank you for you guys for subscribing to the channel and being one of the first 1,000 subscribers to the Independent Investor channel. I'm going to cap it at 1,000. I will not accept any more direct financial plans. I believe in my heart of hearts that my program is so scalable that I can take anybody in 20 to 30 minutes without a whole lot of education in the market, with just a little bit of initiative, and we can build a solid financial plan. I can help you with what account to open. I can help you with the assets that are going to go into that account. And we don't have to do it through the public domain. We don't have to do it through public commentary. If that's something that you guys are interested in, guys, there's a couple things that I would request from you. Number one, for you guys that are in the United States, okay, I really need to understand what time zone you're in. Everybody knows I broadcast from New York, so I'm on Eastern Standard Time, and I will be making most of my call-outs in the evening time, around 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So for you folks on the West Coast, right, that call could potentially come in at 6 o'clock. For you guys that are international, my international subscribers, I've got guys in Europe, I've got folks that are tuning in from Canada, I've got folks that are tuning in from a lot of different places around the world. This is really your direct contact with me, and I will provide you guys the same level of service as my other customers. Basically, what I need is for you guys to prepare this email in a manner that I can review ahead of time, and that way the full benefit of that 20 or 30 minute conversation can really be felt by you guys, okay? I don't want to do a lot of groundbreaking. I don't want to do a lot of things Q&A wise that I can do ahead of time, all right? So if you guys want to, please send me your direct questions. Let me know a few things about yourself. Let me know your age. Let me know how much money that you're looking to invest per month. That can help me a bunch, guys, do the compounding calculator for you guys and kind of tell you what the impact and what we're looking at in the future. And the third thing is the risk tolerance. I kind of need to know what your tolerance level is. Are you an aggressive investor, or do you wanting to start this self-managed account and put assets into that account that can just ride over time and not require a lot of management, okay? So guys, take advantage of this. I've already done this for a couple of my subscribers, and I felt so good, guys. You got to understand, I'm at the point now in my financial investing career that I'm actually addicted to helping people, and really the sheer intent of this direct help contact is to kind of further take that to the next level and really provide that value to my subscribers that they're looking for. So in about a 20 or 30 minute conversation, guys, I can shore through some of the dust. I can dispel some notions for you. So have some questions for me ready to go before our phone conversation occurs. I've already done this for a couple of my folks, and they prepped it, you know, in an email, which really helps me kind of make sure that you get the best bang for your buck, guys. And what's going to end up happening is you're going to leave these particulars within this email. I'll have your contact forever, and what I'll end up doing is calling you back over my computer over Google Voice. And that's the best way to kind of protect my privacy and reach out and provide that direct contact. It just gives me that much more latitude and that much more ability to really help and streamline this investing process for you guys, as opposed to doing it always through commentary. All right, guys. So I will have the email. I don't have it. Independent Investor Channel at gmail.com is the actual email. I actually have this wrong, but I'm going to have it up in the screen and down in the comments. I highly encourage you guys to take advantage of this, guys. There's a lot of people online right now that are charging thousands and thousands of dollars, right, for investing information that, in my personal and professional opinion, are not scalable techniques. They're not scalable, okay? Just because somebody has success in the market does not mean that those techniques are teachable. And most people that are making this, you know, on average rates of return will openly admit that it's very, very difficult to teach this information, unlike my information, which is actually very, very scalable and entering the market in a careful and calculative manner, guys. Listen, thank you so much for tuning in to the Independent Investor Channel. Take advantage of the direct help hotline or the email that I've set up for you guys. If you guys know anybody out there that is looking to get information on the stock market, I've got about 300 subscribers left, guys. And what I said, when I reach 1,000 subscribers, that's it. All right. The people who are 1,000 or below and have been with me from the beginning, this is my thank you to you guys, and I highly encourage you to take advantage of it. But I'm not going to do it in over 1,000. It'll just be too much for me. And hopefully I'm able to manage this load that I get coming in. I'm super aggressive on making sure that I turn back value for every single one of you guys who want to take advantage of this direct help. Please leave your commentary at the bottom of the video. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, guys, so you're notified of any future uploads that I put on YouTube. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and good luck in your investment future.